So guys, in this video I'm actually going to be showing you how to create a currency switcher functionality into your website, into your e-commerce website, such that right now we have dollars in our website, such that you can easily change all of the currency of your website from dollars to probably euro or naira and so on. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So when your visitor comes to your website, all they have to do is just switch the currency to whichever currency they want to use to make payment on your website. So now let's just dive straight right into it. So now to do that, all you have to do is just come back to your dashboard here, then go to your plugins and then add new plugin. So we're going to be doing it with a free plugin, so you don't need to pay to actually do this. So now let's search for a plugin called WBW. So this is the plugin here. So by Wubeo. So this is the plugin we're going to be using. It's a free plugin. So just going to install it. And then activate it. And so once you've installed and activated it, so all you have to do is just come to the plugins here, then go to settings. So once you get to your settings, all you have to do is just come here to come and add your currencies, and then the default currency is in dollars. So the moment you create your WooCommerce website, you would have set up your currency depending on the location you put on your store. So now that's our main currency. So what I want to do now is I want to add a new currency. So now let's click on add currency. So based on my country, I'm in Nigeria, so I want to change this USD to Nigerian currency, and that's going to be NGN. So we're just going to type N. So and then as you can see, everything has been set up for me already. So then the next thing I need is I need to get the rate so that it can convert it accordingly. So now let me click on get rate. So currently our rate is 1672 naira per $1. So and it has done that for me. So let me get rate for this too as well. So $1. So now let me click on, so you can add as much as currency you want. Okay, let me add another currency. Probably let me search for euro. So now let's add euro. Then let's get the rates. So then let's do just 5 currencies. So now let me search for the last one. So let's add GBP. So let's get the rates. Yeah, I think we're good. So now let me save changes. So now we have successfully added 4 currencies. So now we have options. So now we can either decide that the currency should be changed at checkout, but I want it to be able to change at the front end of the website like this. So you can leave this setting. So then let's go down. So I think everything is okay like this. So now the currency aggregator, we can change that from here. So we have 3 different APIs that we can use. So we can try the free converter. So now let's go to front end switcher. So it's gone. So we have option of making it float or rotate. So let's see, it's going to display it here. So as you can see, it's currently in rotating like this. So and then if it's going to float, it's going to change to the other version like this. So I think it's okay like this. So now, so let's change it to on hover so that, okay, sorry, it should be on click, so that once they click on it, that is when the currency should change. So once they click on it, so now let's scroll down. So now let's enable the switcher so that it can show on our website. So then the next thing I want to do, so you can position it left, right, top. So I think I'll just prefer it to be on the right. So it's okay like that. Then the next thing, so we can choose between this. Now let's see how this will look like. As you can see, only symbol, but I think I would prefer the currency codes. Let's see text, change currency. Okay, but let's just go with currency code. So it's okay like that. Switch opening button font. So okay, we can change the font from here. So I think just go with, let me see how this looks like. So I think this is much more okay. So the size is good at medium. Let's see how it is on small. Okay, I think it's better if it is small. Show current currency only, no? You don't want it to show only the current currency. Then horizontal offset, so you can leave all of these. This is the position. Like if you want to adjust the position, transparent, it's okay like this. So border color, so we can change the border color from here, and then the panel header background. So just leave this now. So about the color, what I'm mostly concerned about is the color of this currency itself. So you can change the text, this choose currency here, you can simply change the text from here. Then panel header text, so it means you can also change it from white to whatever color you want to change. So but let's leave all those ones. So panel header font settings. So now let me put it at Helvetica. This one too, let me put it at Helvetica. So it's okay like this. So the next thing we want to do, this is what I'm concerned about, which is the background color. So I want it to have correlation with the color of the website, which is gold and green. So I'm just going to grab the color code from here. So then I'm going to come back to our settings here. So all right, let's use this. Let me grab this. So I'm just going to copy it. So I'm going to change this right now. So it's going to look like that. So I'm going to use this dark one for the second aspect. So let me use it for this. So it's going to be like this, and then selected should also have the same color. So then the last color is the header. Yeah, so now let me just go and do that here. Use it here. So I'm just going to paste it here. So now let's see. So now I think everything's okay like this. So now let me save the changes. So now let's check our website and see how it displays. So awesome. As you can see, it's now on our website. And one awesome thing about it is that it's also very mobile responsive, like this. Let me minimize it. Yeah. So as you can see, it's highly mobile responsive. So now let's see if it's working. So now currently our products are in USD. So now let me try and change it to Naira. So I'm going to click on Naira now and let's see. So as you can see, even the cart is changed to Naira, and every other price has been converted successfully to Naira. So the same thing will happen with Euro as well. So now let me change it to Euro. And as you can see, it has been converted to Euro, such that when anybody wants to purchase anything on your website, they have the liberty of changing to any of these currencies, and then they can pay in the currency that they have actually switched to. As you can see, they are currently in Euro, so they can add to cart and then can simply check out in Euro. So that's how to build to set up your currency switcher. So that's how to set up your currency switcher. So If you are just finding my channel for the first time, this is Tech World, and we create videos about web design, WordPress, and other online technicalities. So you can simply check out my other videos on my channel and then learn more about web design using WordPress and other stuffs. So that will be all for now, guys. If you have learned something in this video, kindly do me the favor of liking this video, subscribe to this channel, and also turn on your notification bell button. Whenever I release any new video, will be notified. Thank you, guys, and see you in my next video.